I wanted to try a cheesy potato soup featuring real diced potatoes, but I don't have any. So I'm going to substitute some scalloped potatoes in a cheesy sauce, and let's see what happens. Let's see, I already have some ground beef in the pan. I want to add a box of scalloped potatoes. Hey, I might not need the cheese sauce, right? I just put cheese sauce here in the powder form with the potatoes. Let's wait a second, see what happens. I'm gonna shred up these carrots in the food processor. Isn't that a beautiful color? Remember, I didn't have everything for the recipe, but I'm using what I did have at home to make cheesy hamburger potato soup. So I let this cook down and it thickened up, nice and cheesy. I didn't have to add anything extra. You got that cheese sauce from the scalloped potatoes.